Understanding welding joints. A comprehensive guide. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a technical term from the world of engineering and construction: welding joints. This video is designed to help you understand what welding joints are, their types, and their significance in various industries. So, let's get started and demystify this technical term together. Welding joints refer to the points where two or more metal parts are joined together by welding. Welding is a process of fusing materials, typically metals or thermoplastics, by applying heat, pressure, or both. The welded joint becomes a critical part of the structure, providing strength and stability. Understanding welding joints is crucial for anyone involved in construction, manufacturing, or engineering. There are 5 primary types of welding joints, each with its unique characteristics and applications. 1. Butt joint. This is where two pieces of metal are aligned and welded along a single plane. It's commonly used in pipe welding. 2. Corner joint. Used to join two metal parts at a corner, this is often seen in sheet metal fabrication. 3. T-joint. A T-joint is formed when the end of one component is welded to the surface of another, forming a T shape. 4. Lap joint. In a lap joint, two pieces of metal overlap and are welded at the overlapping area. 5. Edge joint. Edge joints are used to join the edges of two or more pieces side by side. Welding joints are fundamental in creating strong, durable structures and products. They are used in building construction, for beams and frames; automotive manufacturing, for chassis and bodywork; shipbuilding; aerospace engineering, for fuselage and wing assembly. Proper welding techniques ensure the safety and longevity of these structures and products. We hope this video has helped you understand the concept of welding joints and their importance in various industries. Remember, welding joints are more than just points of connection. They are crucial for the integrity and safety of structures and products. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content on English language learning.